It is Tuesday evening, and our subject is standing at a crossroads, talking to the sky. She has a decision to make. The big one. Leave the job, start the thing, have the conversation. You know which one is yours. She has been carrying it for months, the way you carry a full cup of coffee up the stairs, very slowly, pretending everything is fine. And tonight, she has finally taken action. She has outsourced the decision. Universe, she says, arms wide, if I am meant to do this, send me a sign. Dear viewer, we invite you to look up. Directly above her head, humming gently, stand a glowing signpost the size of a bus, with an arrow pointing straight at the thing she just asked about. She is standing under it. She has been standing under it for the entire monologue. Tonight, on Souls, Explained, a documentary about the human who asks the universe for directions while parked directly under the directions. If you've ever said, I just need a sign, and then argued with the sign, sit down and get comfortable. This one is footage of you. Let us review her case, because the universe keeps a file. Somewhere above the clouds, there's a customer service department, and tonight, one specific desk is not okay. An angel clerk in a headset pulls a folder as thick as a mattress, stamps it, and reads the log out loud to her supervisor. We sent her a billboard. Returned. We sent her favorite song twice in one afternoon. Marked as shuffle. We arranged 3 separate conversations with strangers who said the exact sentence she needed. Small world, she said. 3 times. Then we sent a literal open door. She closed it because of the draft. The supervisor rubs her eyes. And what does the customer want now? The clerk checks the ticket. She says the signs are unclear. She is requesting, and I am quoting the form, a clearer font. Here is the part that should make you laugh, and then quietly get you. Yesterday, she asked for a sign about the sign. A confirmation of the confirmation. A second opinion on the sky. Because the problem was never the signal, dear viewer. The problem is the receiver. Somebody down there does not want an answer. Somebody wants a guarantee. So she tries science. Watch this, it is a classic. She takes a coin. Heads I do it, tails I stay. The coin goes up, turning in air like a tiny planet, and for one honest second, her whole face leans toward heads. The coin lands. Tails. And she says, best of 3. Pause the footage. Zoom in. Do you see it? The coin already worked. Not when it landed. While it was spinning. Because while it spun, she hoped, and hope has terrible poker skills. The coin knew, and so did she. She just did not like the paperwork. From the edge of the frame, a familiar figure watches. Dreadlocks, calm eyes, the patience of a man who has seen 1,000 coin flips. He says nothing yet. He just noticed the hope. When the coin fails her, she escalates. She reads her horoscope, then a second horoscope for a second opinion, then briefly investigates a psychic parrot, an actual bird that picks a car with its beak. Understand what is happening here. She's prepared to trust a parrot, dear viewer. A parrot, over herself. That is not spirituality. That is a trust issue wearing incense. Time to meet the real character of this documentary. Because waiting for a sign feels humble. It feels open, surrendered, spiritual. So let us zoom in on all this spirituality. Notice the costume. An oversized mystical robe, some borrowed moon symbols, a halo that is very clearly plastic, and if you look closely, a price tag still hanging from a sleeve. Underneath the robe, there is no ancient wisdom. There's fear standing on a chair. Fear of choosing wrong. Fear of wanting something out loud and being seen wanting it. Fear that if you decide, the result is yours with your name on it and no cosmic cosigner to blame. Waiting for a sign is very often just fear of trusting yourself, wearing spiritual clothing. And here is what that costume hides. The universe has been answering you all along, just not in billboards. It speaks through your own pull. That quiet, repeated knowing that keeps surfacing at red lights, in the shower, in the middle of the night. The one you keep overruling with logic, budgets, and what would people say. You do not lack signs. You have never lacked signs. You lack permission, and you're the only one who can issue it. Now for the twist this whole documentary has been walking toward. Have you noticed what she never asks? She never asks the universe whether she should stay comfortable. Nobody does. No human in history has ever begged the sky, please send me a sign that I should keep everything exactly the way it is. You only ask about the door you already want to walk through, which means the question is not a question. The question is the answer in disguise. The fact that you keep asking means you already know. And every sign you ever got, the billboard, the song, the strangers, the coin in the air, the pull in your chest, all of it pointed in the same direction. The vote has been unanimous for years. Deep down, you have known since the beginning. Now watch her. A parked car, late at night, engine off, hands in her lap. And to no one, out loud, for the first time, she says it. I want to go. 3 small words. And her whole body exhales like something that had been holding its breath all year. Shoulders down, chest open, warm. That, dear viewer, that exhale, that was the confirmation she kept asking the sky for. It was never going to come from up there. It comes from in here the moment you finally say it. Which is when he finally steps in, our guide, because now she is ready to hear it. For tools, he says, small ones. They fit in a pocket. 1, the coin trick used honestly. Flip the coin, but the coin is not the oracle. The spin is. While it turns, notice what you hope for. That hope is your answer, and you get it before the coin even lands. 2, the body compass. Say option A out loud. Actually out loud, in words in the room. Feel your chest. Did it open or close? Now say option B. The body votes first, and it does not know how to lie. 3, the 10-year test. Ask which choice the you of 10 years from now would thank you for. Not next week you, who wants comfort. 10 years from now you, who has to live in the house these decisions build. And 4, give the sign a deadline. Tell the universe, with love, you have until Sunday. Then decide. Because indecision is also a decision, he says. It just gets made for you, slowly, by default while you wait. The universe is not offended by a deadline, dear viewer. It has been waiting years for you to stop stalling. And so our documentary ends where it began, at the crossroads under the giant glowing signpost. Except now she can see it. She laughs, the way you laugh when you find your glasses on your own head. And there, holding open the door she once closed because of the draft, stands the guide, smiling like a man who has held a lot of doors. She walks through it. That is the whole ending. No lightning, no choir, just a person finally saying yes to something she had already said yes to 100 times in secret. So let us say the quiet part to you now, plainly. You are allowed to want what you want. You do not need a permission slip from the sky. The universe signed off long ago. It has been waiting patiently for you to sign off too. And if the big decision is sitting on your chest right now, and you would like a human to walk beside you while you learn to trust that quiet pull, that is what we do at Chenzo Holistic Coaching. Coaching for sensitive souls who feel everything deeply. The address is in the description. Now go say it out loud somewhere. We will not listen. From head to heart.
Hey, this is Chenzo. If this touches something in you, like this video and subscribe and share it with somebody who needs it. And if you want real help on your path, come to ChenzoHolisticCoaching.com. The link is below. With love.